gotta play them all.
So when I'm on the ramen train. Hello everyone, welcome back to Marcus Continues to Procrastinate on His Work. So anyways, pal, how was your campaign? Was it fun? If it was fun, then I'm sorry that I missed out. Because that last stream literally took a lot out of me. Uh-oh. Did he, like, exit out because he doesn't want to talk about it?
About that.
Oh, hello, Impel.
I'm sorry about that. My brother came on, and I had to drive him somewhere.
Oh, okay. I thought you left because you didn't want to answer my question.
Oh, I would love to answer that question. It was actually pretty fun. I had to introduce 2 new players, major characters, and so it was cool. Dave was there. He was just asking me about the campaign last night.
Yeah, which, sorry, I couldn't come to because I literally... That last stream literally made me pass out.
You did do it for like hours.
I know. Because normally, like, these Archon quests, like, they only take about, like, 2 to 3 hours. Granted, I did have to, like, troubleshoot the stream, and I also got a little sidetracked with some other stuff. But, yeah, it was really... it really took a lot out of me. I have a question.
Yeah.
Is this campaign, like, a follow-up to, like, the last campaign we did? Oh, okay. So...
Yeah.
So... What was your explanation for, like, why Tsunami Man was missing in that campaign?
Wait, I'll get there. Come back to civilian outfit and basically walks off without attracting too much attention. Because I just assumed he didn't want to.
Oh, don't worry. For the next campaign, Tsunami Man will return.
I got an iPad Pro now.
Yeah,
Yeah, and I saw
sweet.
I saw the new Gabby pick you did. Wait.
So now, you can play and work at the same time, like me. Though mostly just play.
Dude, this guy streamed for 8 hours yesterday, and I'm like, we had like an editorial conversation yesterday, and I thought we were just streaming Genshin the entire time.
Yeah, I was, like, super invested in the story.
Yeah.
And you were like, what? Pretending that I was talking to you or something?
Oh, every time you said something, I was like, what was it I'm talking about? Wait, what was I doing again?
You were telling me how awesome I am.
So Otaku, I thought about how awesome you are. You have a really great voice.
Thank you.
You're one of the finest YouTubers on the media chat. You should get like 100 trillion subscribers. I think how you clean your feet looks really cool. And
Hold up, we're going to pause that statement right then and there.
was it really a pause-worthy statement? I don't know.
Yes.
Maybe you should check your priorities.
Can I tell you guys a really interesting dream I had?
What is your dream, Otaku? Tell me.
I had this really weird dream that me and my family went to Japan to go see a musical called The Batman Family Vacation. I don't know why. It's not like any of my family members are into Batman. It's not like I wanted to. I don't know why. But I had that really weird dream. I mean, I'm supposed to be working on my comic, but here I am, procrastinating as I play Genshin Impact.
Great Ninja's muted, and I took his mouth and ears.
Yelan is my wife. Yelan's my wife. Yelan's my wife. Yelan's my wife.
The gods have spoken. The truth shall be revealed.
Yelan is my wife.
One who is fated to cross your path will appear on... Huh? So many people will vote for you.
I have too many waifus.
Actually, Ina thinks this is probably the most accurate fortune telling.
Oh my god. Imagine the female one. Like all like all the girls would be simping over like all the particular male characters. I know they would be simping over Kazuha, that's for sure. Maybe Ayato. Actually, yeah, Ayato. Oh, it was so funny. It's the desert! What could possibly go wrong? It's not like we're gonna die of dehydration or anything. Oh, I hope that's true. Crap, I don't have a catalyst! Hey, you don't have an eye missing, you fuck. Okay, I guess we're gonna have to wait a long-ass time to plan. But until that happens, it's time to summon! Yes, I'm trying to get Sino. Yes! Come on, please give me Sino! Yeah! Woohoo! Yes!
Cuties, how about we go and chat with Jean? You didn't get a chance to say a proper hello with so many people.
As you wish, Lisa. Oh, Lisa, I love you.
As for the barrel, how else were you planning on mixing all the ingredients? Surely not in the giant cooking pot at Donna Gorge.
No. What do you think I am, a savage, Lisa? That would be a suspicious 1,000 wind wine. I really was not thinking about the cooking pot, I swear. Oh my god. Guys, are you seeing this? Lynn needs to get an apple. And there's an apple tree. There's like 4 apples right there. You see it. Oh my god. Not to mention, I mean, I have like a bunch of apples. But dear god, do you know how ridiculous this is? I don't know if this is supposed to be a glitch. Or it could just be some type of algorithm randomization type of thing, you know what I mean? It's been a while since we played this game. But you know, I always gotta take my daily breaks because there's only so much of this game that I can take. Oh my god, please be Wanderer, please be Wanderer. Oh my god, it's another Jean. I think I already baxed her out. Please? Oh, okay, it's guaranteed. If not, I swear to god. Thank you.
Creating a god. Yes, we are using human wisdom to create a god.
Okay, he's insane. God, this is worse than finding Wi-Fi!
Hey, Hina!
Zack spoke!
You should have been angry ages ago.
God, Zack's so good. Oh, if only I could play. Yeah, I could have summoned for her. But I can't, because I was too lazy. I was taking a massive break. I should have just summoned her off screen when I had the chance. But hopefully she will get a rerun along with Shinha. Whoa, that guy just disappeared. Oh, those guys disappeared. What the heck? No! No! I'm gonna fall! Motherfucker! Oh, okay. I'm switching to Kazuha. No! No! Come on, make it up there! No! Can I enter here? Of course not. Oh my fucking god! No! Oh, motherfucker! This might just be more infuriating. Oh my god! Oh my god, this guy is insane! What the fuck do I even do?
For example, the Gnosis.
Oh no! Who could have foreseen that coming? I'm back. It turns out this thing here was why there was a knock at the door. So I'm gonna go open it. Oh yeah, it's my Mario shirt, which I'm gonna wear for the premiere. Or probably see me wear this. Nope, I think. Oh yeah. I'm gonna wear this for the premiere of the Mario movie. I ordered like 2 shirts.
Right. The game's been catching on lately. The Yae publishing house in Inazuma has even published a series of light novels based on the game. The story is really good. It starts with a young guy in Sumeru.
Why don't we try playing a game of Genius Vacation TCG?
Yeah, fuck the Archon quest. Oh my god, I like how the game is treating these characters like celebrities at this point.
If only we knew where to find that traveler. From what they say about him, this seems like the kind
Her?
of
What? Excuse me, I'm a boy, not a girl, you motherfucker. Now's not the time to explain. Let's get over there first. I miss my buddies at Inazuma, if they even exist. Like this guy. And this guy. I mean this girl. And this girl. And a bunch of other people. Let's go! Inazuma! I actually do miss hanging out in Inazuma. Cause like, part of me wants to 100% Sumeru, but another part of me, like, doesn't care. I mean, I like the jungle and all, but I don't know. Inazuma's like much better. Like, look how pretty it is, even to this day. Although Fontaine's probably gonna be much prettier then. Alright, time to leave Inazuma. Oh, I don't want to leave Inazuma. I love this place. I have to go back to the fucking jungle where there's a bunch of fucking bugs and insects and pests. Oh, I want Inazuma. It's nice and shocking and sparktastic and all that shit. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 Thanos snap, blah, 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 blah.
I presume you'll want to read mine as well. Here.
Blah, 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 blah. Infinity War, Endgame, blah, 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 blah.